Hello, welcome to my cooking show. Today I am going to prepare traditional Ecuadorian dish called Locro de papa. Before we start, let's take a look at the ingredients and utensils. We will need ingredients: achote oil, cumin, pepper, butter, milk, salt, white onion, cheese, garlic, avocado, potatoes, and coriander leaves. Utensils: a pot, a spoon, dish, knife, cutting board, a lid, and a bowl. First, peel the potatoes. Cut the potatoes into square pieces. 1 white onion. Chop 1 garlic cloves. The next, cut the cheese into squares. In a pot, place butter and achote oil. Start to add the garlic and white onion. Season with cumin and pepper to taste. Next, add the potatoes in the stir. Next, add the salt to taste. Remove all the potatoes. Next, add water to cover the potatoes. Remove all of the potatoes and wait for the other egg to dissolve it. Then next, add the milk and remove. We added the other half of the potatoes. Bring to a boil and finish cook. The next, serve on a plate. Finally, add a slice of avocado on top. This locro de papa is not only delicious, but also a symbol of Ecuadorian culture. Thank you.